Hello everyone. Today we are going to try for our second practical, that is assignment number 2, again in Microsoft Word. Open Microsoft Word on your desktop or laptops. In today's practical we are going to add word art, then text and a table. We will start with the word art. Click on the Insert tab, choose word art, use any kind of your desirable word art style. Choose any one from your favorite fonts. You can choose the font sizes. You can go for bold and italic options also and click on the OK button. Move it to the center of your page. Click on the last alphabet or to the end of your line and press enter in order to go to the next line. Select left alignment in order to start with the typing practical paragraph. You can go for typing whole paragraph. I'm just now showing you. We have to give red color for the fonts. We have to choose font size 16, and you can also add your favorite font. Any kind of font can be used here. After typing your font your paragraph, you have to choose a justified alignment option that is available here in paragraph. It will make your text align properly on both sides. After typing a paragraph, we are going for the table. Here, click on Insert tab and click on the table option. You can find 10 columns and 8 rows are available here directly, on which if you click you can find a whole table prepared on your screen. But now we are going to add here few lines or few rows with 2 columns. It is not necessary to insert whole table or a number of lines that are required. You can add your required number of lines further. Click on the table's first row and type your text. If you are going to the next column, press tab button on your keyboard. It will take you to the next column. After completing the text in the next column, again press tab button. It will take you to the next line. Add next line. Press tab to go to the next line, next column. Press tab again, it will add a more row to your table. In this way, if you go further by pressing tab button, you can add more and more rows and columns here. If you want to add a column, you can click on the cell where you are going to add table column or table row. So first of all, I'll click here. I'll show you how to add a column. Click on insert right if you want to add a column to your selected columns right side. If you want to add a column to the left of it, click on the insert left button. In this way, rows can be also inserted. Click on the row where or the cell where you are going to add a cell before or after. So if I want to add a row above, I can click here, row above. It will add a row before my selected row. And if you want to add a row below your selected row, click on the row below. It can also help you to delete rows or column. Click on the delete option. If you want to delete a single cell, click on delete cell. It will ask you to shift your cells left, up, or delete entire row or column. Choose the appropriate option and go for it. I have selected entire row and it has deleted my whole row in the table. Suppose you want to delete a column, click on the column that you are going to be deleted. The column will be deleted. If you want to delete whole table, click on delete table. Remember that these all options are available only when you click in the table. If you are not clicking on the table and clicking outside, the table options will be inactive. Go for table formats that is available in the design tab. By clicking in the table, the options can be applied to your table. Click on the desired format or desired table type style and your table will be here. You can change the table shading by selecting table first. Click on the small button available and change the shading of your table. You can add and merge cells that can be added and merged for the titles or anywhere in the table wherever required. The merge cells option is available here in the merge group. If you want to align these texts, select the text. Separate alignment options are available. Most of the times we select center alignment for the titles of the table. So this is what we have to do, along with which we can add borders that is available in the page layout option. Page border is available. Select box border. Select any kind of line or designs available here. Artistic borders are also available. You can go for it also. Select an appropriate border for your page. you can choose a color and click on OK. The border width can be also changed as per your requirement. You can apply it for the whole document. In this way, your file will be available. I will show what kind of file can be made. This is how our practical will be looking. Go for it and save your file. Thank you.